Hello, today we are here to discuss a very important equipment or device, that is filter. We are having a electrical output from the transducers, and this electrical output is fed to the signal conditioning equipments. For the faithful reproduction of the original signal, we have to remove all the unwanted or the spurious signal from the original signals. So to achieve this faithful reproduction, we are using several types of filter at the signal conditioning stage. So when we are talking about these unwanted or these spurious signals, then these signals may involve in the original signal at the transduction stage or the signal conditioning stage. So before processing it to the output or display devices, we have to remove all these noise signals or all these disturbances. So we are using several types of filters. When we go for the classification of filters, then basically these filters are classified into two categories: active filters and passive filters. So when we are talking about the passive filters, then these are those filters which are comprises of passive elements such as resistor, capacitor and inductor. However, when we are talking about the active filters, then these filters are comprises of amplifiers, differential amplifiers and transistors in addition to the resistor, capacitor and inductor. So the passive elements are also a part of the active filters. When we go for the broad classification of these filters, then both the active filters and passive filters are classified into four categories depending upon the frequency they are going to cut or they are going to pass. So the active and passive filters are classified into four categories. The first one is low pass filter, the second one is high pass filter, third is band pass filter and the last one is band reject filters. So in this section we are going to cover the first filter, that is the low pass filter. So what is the mathematics behind this low pass filter? We will explain it by a diagram that is shown